Hi, I'm Timmy Pacioretty, and I'm the founder of Style Innovators, a community of women who find joy in creating beautiful spaces. My mission is to help women find the beauty and strength that lives inside of them to create the life that they desire. So now that you know the best way to grow a successful business is not to bug your friends and family, and that it is possible to allocate time in your already busy schedule, let's tackle the biggest worry you have about creating your own business. Your fear of not knowing what to do, or that you're going to have to go at it alone. This is a seriously legitimate fear. There is a lot of information out there about building an online business. So much so that it's almost impossible to weed through it all and know which strategies will work for you. Let me ask you a question. What if I told you that you could start an online business today, and that business comes with a step-by-step action plan for growing that business? My Business in a Box opportunity provides you with everything you need to hit the ground running and grow a successful business, including my 6-week business boot camp for new designers and weekly personalized and mentoring sessions with me. I'll teach you how to identify your target customer, where to meet and interact with them in a way that feels natural to you, how to use Facebook groups to build your business, as well as how to set up and achieve your weekly, monthly, and annual goals. Before you decide, let me introduce you to Shelly. Shelly joined my team a little over a year ago because she was looking to create a business that would help supplement her family's income, but not take away from the time she wanted to spend with her family and her children. She had a very stressful job as a state prosecutor, and she wanted to find something that could not only bring in some extra revenue and income for her family, but also would provide her with some much needed stress relief. She recently made a commitment to herself and her business and joined my Business Builders Bootcamp. She has begun putting into practice what I've shared in my video series, and her influence is already starting to grow. She's growing and mentoring a team of designers, and she's starting to experience a level of success that she has only dreamt of. She is starting to be a leader in every sense of the word, and her business is growing because of it. And she's not the only one. In the last 8 weeks, after putting these practices into place, I have seen more than a 30% increase in my monthly sales. And I just expect that will just continue to grow. So let me ask you this. If all of this did was give you an opportunity to pay off your credit card, would it be worth it to you? If it let you quit your 9-to-5 job or retire your husband, wouldn't that be worth it? With this new business opportunity, you'll be able to take control of your financial future and spend more time doing the things that you love. If that sounds like something that you really want to learn more about, I encourage you to set up a call with me today, and let's talk about how it is that you can achieve your goals. I look forward to talking to you, and thank you for watching.